Good day. I'm Ilse Merkies, and I'm proud to say that I am a member of the MMM community. I stay in South Africa, White River, in the beautiful Mpumalanga area. On the 9th of November 2017, I PH'd 0.02 Bitcoin, which I had to pay to an MMM member within 2 days of my PH. On the 7th of January 2018, I GH'd an amount of 2,300 Rand in Bitcoins, which also includes several referral bonuses as well as video bonuses. I'm happy to say that I was paid in full only a few hours later. I would also like to thank Mr. Mabrodi and his team for having created MMM for us to use and work with. I really appreciate the efforts Mr. Mabrodi and his team have made to make this available to us, especially in Bitcoins. I believe that with Bitcoins, MMM is stronger than ever because anyone in the whole world can participate. I keep PHing and GHing on a regular basis so that everyone can profit from the system. I urge all members to PH again so that MMM can be as strong as ever. Together we are succeeding. Viva MMM.